Old Nissan stuck over here. Buddy, I just got stuck. All right, boys, I bought these snorkel covers off of the Can-Am website because I have snorkels on my Defender Limited, but the problem is, since I have these tires cut, they whip out so much sand up in the air that they get inside the snorkel. They get inside the engine intake and the one for the belt as well. So every time I have to ride, I have to clean out the filter or change it out because I have so much sand in there. So I'm kind of tired of having to do that. So this is what I got. Let me show you. So here they are. They're like pretty much like little socks for the snorkels. I don't know how I like that look, but I'll show you now once installed. So here we have one installed, Can-Am boy, and here's the regular one. Obviously the regular one looks way nicer, but look at that thing, man. You can see all the sand and dirt and everything that goes in there. I'd rather just throw these in, you know, the washer, or just, you know, hose them down. At least it'll protect it here. Like I said, I have a filter and a sock also in the bottom, but sand still gets trapped all the way in there. I don't want to get in the motor, and I don't want to mess up my clutches. Well, here's the final result. At least now everything's protected from sand, dirt, and debris getting into there. So oh yeah, now everything's gonna be nice and clean. We'll see how these things last. Alrighty, boys, let's see if we can make a little video. We're out here riding in our local spot. I just left the house and I am on the way. It's a little fire pit everywhere we hang out, and yeah, let's see who pulls up. Have a little night rip, you know what I mean? And just have a good old time and burn some fuel, brother. All right, boys, we're out here. Fender, Diego. New bike crew over here. Ready to rip today. All right, boys, we started the ride. We got Hansel's new wheels on the Polaris. The old Can-Am. Oh yeah, we're out here ripping. Oh yeah. Got Vicky over here too. We're just ripping out here. Got an X3 stuck right there. But we'll get her. All right, brother, we're out here. Got the Lehigh people riding dirty. A little Polaris, more Polaris, Hondas, the old Can-Am boy, and of course, Biggie the Wagon, brother. Oh yeah. Yeah, what's up? Oh yeah, boy.
Jesus Christ, that is stuck. Can't even see the tires.
buddy. I just got stuck. Look at that tire, boy. Jesus. Oh, buddy. We got a old Nissan stuck over here. We got 3 winches. Gonna try to get this boy out. This thing is nasty over here. Got a bunch of people out here. Oh, buddy.
Whole crew out here.
Oh, sugar.
I want you to go to both of us. You say, you'll be in the middle. 3, 2, 1, go. And it's go on the hands out. So 4 counts. 3, 2, 1, go. You're recording there.
Alrighty, boys, that is the end of the video. That was a little night rip out there. Actually got stuck in the Defender. It was a pretty nasty hole out there. The thing was like literally the concrete. But I got stuck. We got out, kept riding, had fun with family and friends, and that's pretty much it. Just a little video, you know, of the time we had out there. But we're going to River Ranch soon. We got a couple of updates on the property, and yeah, the Outlander's still here, sitting in the garage collecting dust. But I gotta figure it out. But make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see, and that's it. See you the next time.